This is Trey Ann with FRVTA, and I'm at the South Florida Fairgrounds for a sneak peek of the 2025 West Palm Beach Fall RV Show. Here at the South Florida Fairgrounds, we have 7 local dealers displaying new and used RVs of every class, plus vendors and plenty of ideas for your next trip. And as an added bonus, the weather is absolutely gorgeous, and parking and admission are both free. All around me, the dealers are busy setting up, cleaning the RVs, and getting everything ready for you to come out and explore. Starting tomorrow, the fairgrounds will be transformed into 4 full days of RV shopping, dreaming, and planning your next big adventure. The FRVTA hosts the only multi-dealer RV shows in Florida, so this is your only chance this fall to take advantage of 7 local dealerships in one location. One of the best parts about a multi-dealer RV show like this one is the chance to compare everything side by side. You can step out of a huge luxury motorhome, walk a few steps, and be inside a destination trailer, or a compact travel trailer, a sleek camper van, or a family-friendly Class C. You can sit in the dinette, stand in the shower, stretch out on the bed, and get a true feel for the space. Instead of guessing from photos online or visiting one dealership at a time, you get to see multiple brands, floor plans, and price ranges all in one trip. You'll see it all here. From spacious Class A's, family-friendly Class C's, Super C's, adventure camper vans, destination trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and travel trailers of all sizes. With both new and pre-owned units on display, there's something for every budget, and many dealers will offer show specials and incentives. And by the time the gates open tomorrow, this area will be filled with truck campers, right next to the food vendors. Knowledgeable teams will be on hand to help you match the right RV to your lifestyle. From weekend tailgates to beach getaways, long road trips, or even full-time travel. Bring your questions about towing, sleeping arrangements, storage, and budget. They'll walk you through the differences between gas and diesel motorhomes, fifth wheels, and destination trailers. If you're new to RVing, wander through a few units and learn at your own pace. If you already own, come see what's new and smarter. We're almost ready. When the gates open, these rows will be buzzing with families and friends finding the RV that fits them best. The 2025 West Palm Beach Fall RV Show is being held November 13th through 16th at the South Florida Fairgrounds. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.